Miniature cooking is a unique and fascinating style of content where tiny food is cooked in a small setup, often shown with a real human hand, making viewers feel like they are watching a magical mini world come alive. These videos instantly grab attention because they are satisfying, creative, and visually addictive, which is why miniature cooking channels grow fast on YouTube, go viral quickly, and many creators earn millions from views, ads, and brand deals. The best part is that starting this type of channel today is extremely easy. Even beginners can create stunning miniature cooking videos within minutes by using free AI tools without expensive cameras or skills. If you watch this video till the end, you will learn the perfect step-by-step method to create eye-catching miniature cooking videos that viewers can't stop watching. So stay with us, because we are about to show you exactly how to start, create, and grow your own viral miniature cooking channel from scratch. Copy the prompt given in the video description and paste it into Grok AI. When you click Generate, Grok AI will suggest the names of 9 to 10 Pakistani recipes. Choose one recipe from the list and tell Grok AI your selection. After selecting the recipe, it will ask you about the video duration. Reply with this command: generate image prompts for short 1 minute and 15 seconds video duration. Grok AI will then create step-by-step recipe image prompts for a 1 minute and 15 seconds video. Next, ask Grok AI to generate motion prompts by giving this command: generate step-by-step motion prompts for all these images for creating 8 seconds. VO 3 videos in relaxing slow motion with stylish camera angles and natural sound effects, but without voiceover. Grok AI will generate detailed motion prompts for each step. Copy the first image prompt and use Whisk AI to generate the first image. Then download it. Upload this image in the sidebar subject section so the rest of the images stay consistent. In Whisk AI, upload the previous images in the subject or scene area and slightly edit the prompt to generate perfectly consistent recipe images. After generating all images, copy the first motion prompt and open Flow AI. Select Frame to Video. Upload the image in the first frame. Paste the motion prompt. Adjust the video settings. And click Generate to create a perfect VO 3 recipe video. You can also edit the motion prompt to get even better and more refined results. If you want to create continental recipe videos, copy the second prompt from the video description and follow the same steps to create your favorite continental recipes easily. In this video, we shared the best and simplest method to create these eye-catching miniature cooking videos that can grow fast and perform amazingly on YouTube. By using easy and free AI tools, anyone can make professional-looking videos without stress or cost. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to learn more smart and creative ways to make viral videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to start a YouTube channel or create videos using new AI methods but feel stuck or confused, tell us in the comments. We're here to help you grow.